By default, if you create a worksheet in a workbook, the name that appears is sheet 1 and it comes with an empty sheet, then you can now input your data and format it the way you want. I have added extra sheet to this workbook to complete what I want to do. So I have my monthly budget from January to September, and I have been able to add this month every year. So I'm going to teach you how you can add worksheet and working with a number of worksheet. Or if you want to add another extra worksheet to this workbook, all you have to do is to click this plus sign here and a new worksheet has been created for you. In other words, I want to add the October worksheet. So all I have to do is to rename this workbook, but I can duplicate what I have in September so that I will not waste my own time in doing all this. And all you have to do is right click on the worksheet that you want to duplicate or you want to copy, and right click on it, and then you click on move or copy. Now make sure the button here is highlighted, is clicked. So you click on the create a copy. Now you now select where you want the copy to be, whether at the beginning or before any of these. Definitely I want it to come after September, or I want it to come at the end of the worksheet. So I click the end of what? The worksheet. Then I click OK, and it gives me this notification. The name payment date already exists. So it means what I have, then they have double names. So all you have to do is click on yes, and the new one has been created for you with the seat number as seat 2, which means this was seat 1 and this is seat 2, and all you have to do is to rename it. How do you do the renaming? Right click on the cell and click on rename, and then you type the month that we are now in. So I'm looking for October, so you type October inside, and you can click outside of the cell or anywhere, or you click enter for it to do for you. So this is how you can add a worksheet or a workbook in your workbook. So go ahead and practice it and you'll be more conversant with it. Now I want to rearrange the worksheet. This one here, I don't want it to be here. I want it to move to the last. So you just click on it and drag it to the end. And I can also click this one and drag it to the end, this place. So now if you want to delete unwanted worksheet, I don't want this empty sheet to be here, all you have to do is to right click on it and then you click on the delete button, and then it gives you a prompt. Excel will permanently delete the sheet. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue, so I delete it and it is gone. Now if you want, the other way you can do the renaming, instead of right clicking, is to double click on the cell you want to rename and highlight for you, so you can now start typing. When you finish, you click outside of it. In the month of August, my total income changes, that is my actual monthly income changes. My salary was increased, so I want to change it from August to October. I want to change it from August to October, and I don't want to come in here and typing and affecting all. So you can just group the August, September, October, November to December if you have added the other sheet. So if you want to add it again, you right click on the October, come to move and copy, then click on this box over here, and I want it to be before this loan. So I don't want it to be at the end, so you can see before the loan. We are looking at the preamble here, before the loan authorization, and you click on OK. So you click on yes and it will come before it. All right, October, so you can click on double click, or you right click and select rename. So I have double click on it, then you name is November, and everything is there for you. So as long as you do it up to December. Now I want to merge all these, or want to group them. All you have to do is hold on the control key and you click on all the months you want to group and make the changes on. Once you finish, you leave the control button and all of them has been grouped together. So whatever changes I do inside here will affect the other month, because my income is going to be consistent until the end of the year. So my income has changed to 4,500, so that's 4,500. So I click on it. My projected income is still the same. What I expect to receive is still the same, but once it has come to this point, I can also change it. Now you see the total monthly income has changed. When you come to September, it has also changed. If you come to November, it has also changed, but my income here is still the same. My projected income is still the same. So I can change the projected income to 50, 100, that's 5,500, and you see that it will affect the rest. So click enter or outside. Now I have changed this. It's going to affect the rest. October 2 has been changed, September 2 has been changed, and then August 2 has been changed. Now you can see that once I have done that effect, I have a negative number here, or let me see, that's why it's highlighted. It means I spent more than what I am supposed to spend, because my projected income, what I expected to receive, I did not receive that. I received less than that. All right, and that's why I have this place as red. Now how to ungroup? Just right click on it and click on any of the cells. Right click on any of the cells and then you select ungroup, and your things will be ungrouped for you. And so this is how you handle different or multiple sheets on the same workbook. Thank you.